Hello health enthusiasts around the globe, welcome to VitalGlow Life, where we bring you the best of nature's healing powers. Today, we're taking a journey into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Originating in India over 3,000 years ago, Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems. It's based on the belief that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between the mind, body, and spirit. And one of the ways we can achieve this balance is through natural remedies. So, our focus today, Ayurvedic remedies for sore throat. Yes, that annoying, uncomfortable sensation that can make even swallowing a chore. But don't fret. Ayurveda has some soothing solutions that harness nature's bounty to bring you relief. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Ayurvedic remedies for that pesky sore throat. Our first remedy is a classic combination of ginger and honey. In the ancient practice of Ayurveda, ginger is hailed as a potent herb, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It's been used for centuries to break down toxins and clear the microcirculatory channels of the body, making it an excellent remedy for sore throats. Moving on to honey, it's more than just a sweet treat. In Ayurveda, it's known as a natural antibacterial and antiviral agent, which helps in fighting off infections. Furthermore, honey's soothing texture provides immediate relief to an irritated throat. Now let's dive into the preparation of this remedy. Start by grating a small piece of ginger. Mix this with 1 tablespoon of honey. The blend should be consumed twice a day for maximum benefits. The magic of this remedy lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. This sweet and spicy blend not only soothes your throat but also boosts your immunity. Next on our list is the golden drink, turmeric milk. This vibrant brew is not just pleasing to the eye, but also packed full of healing properties. Turmeric, the star ingredient, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial powerhouse. When you're grappling with a sore throat, this spice can be your best friend, fighting off bacteria and reducing inflammation. So, how do you prepare this wonder drink? Start by heating a cup of milk on the stove. As it warms, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, stirring until it dissolves completely. Allow the milk to simmer for a few minutes before removing it from the heat. If you desire a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. The final result is a comforting, health-boosting beverage. Now, when to consume it? The best time is just before bed. A warm cup of turmeric milk can soothe your throat, allowing for a more restful night's sleep. A warm cup of turmeric milk before bed can work wonders for your sore throat. Our final remedy is a soothing Tulsi and clove tea. This remedy combines the healing powers of Tulsi, also known as holy basil, and clove. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is famed for its antiviral properties, making it an excellent ally in combating sore throats. Clove, on the other hand, is a natural analgesic, numbing any discomfort and reducing inflammation. Let's brew this aromatic tea. Begin by boiling a cup of water. Add 5 to 6 fresh Tulsi leaves and 3 cloves to the boiling water. Allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes. The infusion will take on a deep, rich hue, and the air will fill with the comforting aroma of clove and Tulsi. Strain the tea into a cup. For added benefits, you can sweeten it with a bit of honey. Enjoy this tea while it's still warm. Sip it slowly, allowing the warmth and the therapeutic properties of Tulsi and clove to soothe your sore throat. This aromatic tea will not only relieve your sore throat but also refresh your senses. There you have it, 3 simple yet effective Ayurvedic remedies for a sore throat. We started with the potent combination of ginger and honey, a remedy that not only soothes the throat but also boosts your immune system. Next, we discussed the healing powers of turmeric milk, a traditional Indian concoction that's been used for centuries to fight infections. And finally, we explored the therapeutic benefits of Tulsi and clove tea, a soothing brew that is sure to provide relief from your sore throat. These remedies are a testament to the wisdom of Ayurveda and the power of nature. They remind us that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. They also underline the importance of a healthy lifestyle that includes natural remedies and holistic wellness. Thank you for joining us today on VitalGlow Life. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. Stay healthy, stay glowing.